Start. With the purpose of identifying the Indian citizens in the state of Assam, a register containing all the names of genuine Indian citizens was prepared in 1951, which is called the National Register of Citizens, NRC. The NRC is a list of people who have legally earned the confirmation of being Indian citizens with the supporting evidence that they came to India before 24 March 1971. This day is marked as a landmark because before this day, India's neighboring country Bangladesh was declared independent from Pakistan. NRC became a tool to control unabated migration from Bangladesh. It will form the basis for detecting illegal migrants, and people included in this list will be provided protection against harassment and also enjoy all constitutional rights and safeguards, and will also be benefited by government schemes. The updating process has been initiated in the year 2013 under strict monitoring and supervision of the Supreme Court of India, and it ended on 31st August 2015. Through 68.31 lakh applications, around 3.29 crore people were included in the verification process. For registration in the NRC, the eligibility entails such persons whose names appear in the list of 1951 and have their names appear in any of the electoral rolls up to March 24, 1971. Descendants of such persons also fall in the list. Other than these, such persons who came from another region on or after January 1st, 1966 but before March 25, 1971 and got them registered with the Foreigners Registration Regional Officer and were declared as Indian citizens by the Foreigner Tribunal also are held eligible. Updating of the data of the legal citizens began in the 1980s in Assam due to the feeling of alienation amongst the native in the state. So the All Assam Students Union AASU and Assam Ghana Parishad submitted a memorandum seeking the demand of updating the list and also to preserve the indigenous culture of Assam from illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. Those citizens of Assam who proved their residency in the state on or before March 21st, 1971 will be counted in the updated list. Stop over.